Job satisfaction. Job satisfaction is the feeling and perception of a worker regarding his or her work and how he or she feels in an organization. It indicates the extent of employees' positive or negative feelings towards their jobs and organizational behavior tried to improve it. Group formation. A group is formed through collective efforts of forming, norming, storming, and performing. However, adjourning a group completes the group formation. It shows that the group has been successful in completing its predetermined objective. Group development. Group development refers to the process by which members of newly formed work teams learn about their teammates, establish their roles and responsibilities, and acquire the task work and teamwork capabilities required to coordinate their effort to perform effectively as a team. Group structure. Roles. A role is a set of expected behavior patterns attributed to someone occupying a given position in a social unit. Within a role, there is norms. Norms are the acceptable standards of behavior within a group that are shared by the members. Status. The socially defined position or rank given to groups or group members by others is called status. Size. As a rule, smaller groups are faster than their larger counterparts. But when it comes to decision making, larger groups end up scoring higher marks. So, if there's a decision to be made, it's wise to poll a larger group and then give the input to a smaller group so they can act on it. Cohesiveness. Cohesiveness is a degree to which group members enjoy collaborating with one another and are motivated to stay in the same group. Group processes. It refers to how an organization's members work together to get things done. There is a process of 5 stages through which groups pass through. The process includes the 5 stages: forming, storming, performing, and adjourning. Decision-making process. Rational decision-making. The rational decision-making model assumes decisions are based on objective, orderly, structured formation, gathering, and analysis. Bounded rationality model. The bounded rationality model assumes numerous organizational and individual factors while restricting rational decision-making. Linear model of decision-making. Linear decision-making involves listing positive and negative factors of each decision alternative. Intuitive decision-making. Intuitive decision-making is a model that assumes managers make decisions by relying on experience and their personal assessment of a situation. Garbage can model. The garbage can model is one where managers use information about problems, participants, solutions, and opportunities haphazardly to generate ideas and potential decisions. Work teams. A group that interacts primarily to share information and to make decisions to help each other perform within his or her area of responsibility. A group whose individual efforts result in performance that is greater than the sum of the individual inputs.